We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the Gildan Men's Crew t-shirts, Multipack, Style G 1100. This product has earned widespread praise for its affordability, comfort, and durability, making it a staple in many wardrobes. If you own these shirts, we encourage you to leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The Gildan Men's Crew t-shirts are made from 100% cotton, offering a soft and breathable fabric that feels great against the skin. Some variations include blends like 90% cotton and 10% polyester for added stretch and flexibility, which users have noted as ideal for active lifestyles or casual wear. The moisture-wicking properties of the fabric keep you cool and dry during warmer days or physical activities, making these shirts versatile for various occasions. Whether you're lounging at home, running errands, or working out, these shirts deliver consistent comfort. Durability is another standout feature of these t-shirts. Customers have reported that the material holds up well after multiple washes, with minimal shrinkage and fading. The stitching is sturdy, ensuring that the shirts maintain their shape and structure over time. However, some users have mentioned slight shrinkage after the first wash and recommend purchasing a size larger if this is a concern. Additionally, while the seams are generally well crafted, a few reviewers noted minor issues with loose threads inside the fabric that can be easily trimmed. The fit of the Gildan Men's Crew t-shirts is described as true to size by most customers. The classic crew neck design and short sleeves provide a flattering silhouette suitable for layering or standalone wear. These shirts are available in a wide range of sizes from small to XX large, accommodating various body types. Larger individuals have particularly appreciated the comfortable fit without feeling constricted. Some users have noted that the shirts can run slightly large, so sizing down might be preferable for those seeking a more fitted look. One of the most frequently mentioned benefits is the value these shirts offer. Coming in multi-packs at an affordable price point, they provide excellent cost-effectiveness compared to similar products on the market. Many users have highlighted this as a key reason for their purchase, especially given the quality of the material and construction. At around $5 per shirt in some packs, these t-shirts are hard to beat for budget-conscious shoppers. The design is simple yet effective, making these shirts versatile for various uses. Whether worn as undershirts or standalone tops paired with jeans or shorts, they adapt seamlessly to different styles and occasions. The tagless feature adds another layer of comfort by eliminating irritation around the neck area. While overwhelmingly positive reviews dominate customer feedback, there are some minor drawbacks worth noting. A few users found the fabric slightly thinner than expected, which may not be ideal for colder climates without layering. Others mentioned that sweat marks could become visible during intense physical activity or hot weather due to the lightweight nature of the material. In terms of sustainability, Gildan has taken steps to ensure environmentally responsible production practices. The shirts are OECOTEX Standard 100 certified, indicating safer chemicals in manufacturing processes, a detail appreciated by eco-conscious buyers. Comparing these t-shirts to competitors like Hanes or Kirkland reveals their strong position in the market. While some alternatives may offer thicker fabrics or more premium features at higher prices, Gildan excels in balancing quality with affordability. Many users have switched from other brands after discovering Gildan's reliability and comfort. Overall, the Gildan Men's Crew t-shirts multi-pack stands out as an excellent choice for anyone seeking dependable, everyday basics without breaking the bank. Their combination of comfort, durability, and versatility makes them suitable for diverse needs, from casual outings to gym sessions and even workwear in certain professions like mechanics or construction. If you're looking for affordable t-shirts that don't compromise on quality or style, these are worth considering. Don't forget to check out the product link in the description to support this channel while shopping. And if you already own these shirts, please leave your thoughts in the comments below to help others make an informed decision.